So the first thing to do when setting up your Facebook pixel is to get to the right screen. So you'll notice this little drop down arrow up here on the right side when you're on Facebook. If you click that and then you go down to manage ads, that's the first place to check. Now if you don't see manage ads, you can go to create ads. Now when I click this, it doesn't take me anywhere. And I believe that is because I've already got things set up in my business manager, which is a business area where you can work on your pages and your ads accounts and so on. So I'm going to just skip over to my ads manager where we can find the pixel. But for you, if you don't use the business manager yet, this may be how you get to it. Manage ads or create ads. Okay, so once you're in your ads manager, you can click up here by these three bars here and then go down to all tools, just point, don't click, and all of this stuff opens up for you. And then if you look across here, we've got what, 6 different columns or 5 different ones. This is just frequently used here. All right, so we see over here pixels they now have it under this events manager heading, I guess. So if you click on pixels, that will bring you to the screen where you set up your pixel. Now if you already have a pixel set up, you'll see something like this. If you don't have it set up yet, then I'll show you what that looks like. Alright, so if you haven't set up your pixel yet, then you see this screen, and then you would simply click the Create a Pixel button. That will bring you to a screen that looks like this, and it seems to me you used to be able to change the name, but I tried that on this one and I wasn't able to. If you can type in whatever name you like. It doesn't really matter. I think you can change it later too, maybe. And then you click the Create button, and the pixel is created for you. And then the next thing is you install the code. And as I explained in my article, my blog post article, you've got a few different options here. If you have a website developer, you can send the code and instructions to them, and they'll do it for you just by clicking this one. The first option is if you're using a shopping cart or you want to use the tag manager. And the middle option is the one I'm going to explain a little bit more about here. So if you click the middle option there, you'll get to a screen like this. And this first number 1 step is just telling you where to put the code. It goes between the head and /head tags on your web page code. Okay, now you may not have to worry about that if you have WordPress or another content management system where you can just paste the code right in. So what is the code? The code is right here. All you got to do is click on it, and it will be highlighted and copied to your Windows clipboard. Okay, and then you go back and install it into your website. So it's pretty straightforward if you can find where to install it on your website. So as an example here on my website, I can go into, I'll show you where I put it. This just will give you an idea of how easy it is to do. I happen to be using this theme and plugin where I can put code in, and all I had to do is go to this spot and paste. I right-clicked and pasted it right into here. Okay, and that's all I had to do. Okay, now you do need to have the code on every page of your website, but when I put it on my website with the theme, with the platform I'm using, the WordPress platform and so on, I could just paste it in there one time and it shows up on every page. So that's the nice thing about that. So that's the only thing you might run into a little trouble with, but some people have trouble just finding the pixel, finding the code and where to get it. So this hopefully will help you with that. And it's highly recommended to use that Facebook pixel so that you can do the remarketing or retargeting. So not only does it give you statistics back, but it enables you to show your ads to, or build audiences so you can show your ads to people who have visited your website or certain pages on your website. So that's really, really valuable to have when you're doing Facebook advertising. All right, I hope this video helps. And please do comment below, or like or dislike if you want, I guess. But comment below, or send me a message if you got questions. Thank you.